Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stash on Donut SMP. First, understand that a stash is crucial for safeguarding your valuable items from other players. Begin by scouting for a discrete location, perhaps deep underground or far from spawn points. Next, gather a good supply of strong building blocks like obsidian or reinforced stone, along with plenty of chests to hold your treasures. Planning your layout before building saves time and resources. Now, let's build. Start by digging out a small, secure room, ideally with at least 2 layers of strong blocks for walls. Consider using sticky pistons and redstone to create a hidden door that blends seamlessly with the environment. For example, a lever hidden behind a painting could activate your entrance. Remember to make the entrance look as natural as possible, perhaps using dirt or stone to match the surrounding terrain. Protecting your stash is vital. Implement basic traps, like a false floor leading to a small drop, to discourage casual explorers. Reinforce your main storage area with highly blast-resistant blocks such as obsidian or reinforced concrete. Even the best stashes can be found, so consider moving your entire stash to a new, equally secure location every few weeks. This proactive approach significantly reduces the risk of being raided. Efficient organization makes your stash more effective. Label your chests clearly for different item categories, like resources, tools, or armor. Also, consider setting up a few small, less valuable decoy stashes in obvious places to distract potential raiders from your main vault. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your main stash a secret is a continuous effort, so always be vigilant and adapt your strategies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.